Welcome aboard. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Ron. This is Bad Boats, and I got you some videos today. You know what? You go down to the boat ramp, and some people just have difficulties putting their vessel in the water. But some people, no matter how hard it gets, they get right to it and they overcome it. So let's go ahead and take a look at these videos. You see this guy here on the motorcycle? No matter what, he's overcoming. Now look at this. You have a hot day, and then you have this hot situation like it happened with this Tesla here in Hollywood, Florida. You hear a little buzzer, and then the world goes to hell. Now this is a prime example of why I believe in that. Electricity and water doesn't mix. Now here, guys launching his boat, but you know what? The waves get a little out of control, and this little Toyota, they just can't make the mark, or can it stay on the beach? Launched his boat and got sucked in like a bad plumbing job, and now I'm tossed around back on the beach. For a little party with your wifey or your girlfriend, having a few little, and you know what? You decide to take and do a little photo shoot. But guess what happens? This is what happened in Martin County, Florida, when a couple was out trying to do a photo shoot on their boat, and they were into each other a little bit too much. Or maybe they had a little bit too much to drink.
So it just ran over
Maybe
one
fun
dock,
games before
hit
you
another,
start.
and it's on the beach
By
now, so
the
the boat
end,
is stopped. We're looking for the occupant.
The results could be deadly. Don't forget your kill switch.
10-4, boat signal forward with a dock is now beached. 10-17 for the driver, 1906.
You like and subscribe. Hit the notification button to get all the updates on videos. Check out our other channel, Boat Mania. And also check out our newest channel from Haul Over Boat Battles. And the links will be in the description below. Thank you very much and have a great day.